Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to fix or how to solve Google Classroom, you should just go to Settings. Here we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. After that you'll enter to Google Classroom app. Then we click on First Stop and we click OK. After that you'll enter to Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can click here update if you'll find it in this blue sign. And if it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.